YouTube Select is coming for premium content advertisers. YouTube is opening up their advertising portal to have access to more big set-top TVs. In the recent lockdown situation, streaming is going through the roof and the adoption of the YouTube app has been high. In a previous video, I talked about how YouTube is allowing you to target the set-top devices that people are consuming on a daily basis, so your ads can go straight into their living room. But Google is expanding this a step further. They have offered TV programming so you can do some premium Google ads or some 360 ads in order to reach your target. But Google is unleashing the top 5% of media categories in order for you to buy a big media package in order to communicate your brand to a very curated audience. What's unique about this media buying packages is set-top boxes have been available for years now, but this set-top data is coming through Google and smart TVs that are allowing you to break down by certain lifestyle demographics, such as beauty, sports, entertainment, and this is going to give you some great targeting for your persona. And they also have some advanced targeting, which is going to be that broader reach targeting that can go into niche channels and niche programs that you may not even know about as an advertiser, but Google is already lumping them into the appropriate audiences. So if you're looking out for a big media spend in 2020 and 2021, it's going to be a lot easier to approach this if you're in the US, and it's going to be rolling out globally over the coming months. There will be some reservations that have to happen because of media buying. It's not instant, so there's a certain quota that has to be bought and sold at a certain time, and there's certain limits to the types of media you can buy and what are a minimum requirement to purchase that media. It's quite fascinating that Google is adding some premium features. This is likely going to go to the top tier agencies that can afford to do these media spends. So we're going to pay close attention to see how we can utilize this and utilize this for more of our SMB clients. So if you have any questions about buying media on YouTube, or if you're curious about how it works, drop me a comment here below and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.